So next is the standard deviation in R. So within R, standard deviations are calculated in the same way as means and medians. So standard deviation of a single variable can be computed with the SD function, and here you have to send the data set where VAR is the name of the variable whose standard deviation you wish to retrieve. Similarly, standard deviation can be calculated for each of the variables in a data set by using the standard deviation and data variable command, where data variable is the name of the variable containing the data. So the syntax is SD x comma na dot rm is equal to false, true, whatever you want to do. So where x is the input vector and na dot remove is to remove the non-applicable values. So we will try here one example. So as I have discussed in the PPT, same example I will be taking. So it is having a vector which is having the values which are 5, 9, 16, 17, 18. So I am creating one vector C is equal to 5, 9, 16, 17 and 18. And if we apply SG function to this, we are expecting the value which is shown in this PPT, which is nothing but 5.1, but we are finding here there is a difference which is showing here 5.7. So what is the reason that it is showing 5.7? So actually our language is showing you the sample deviation, not the population deviation. This was the example of population deviation, where we are considering whole data set for calculating the standard deviation. So to get the population deviation for the same values, we have to little modify the things as what? You have to write SD x into square root of the n minus 1 upon n. So here n is 5. So I'll need to write n minus 1, that is 4 divided by 5. Now after applying this, I am getting here error. What is the reason? I think variable x is not found. So my variable name, because it is a case sensitive language, I need to use the correct variable name. So now I am getting 5.09902, which is nothing but 5.1. So it is matching with this value. So here with this example, I have tried to tell you how to calculate standard deviation in R. Either it is population deviation or the sample deviation. So by default, SG function is calculating the sample deviation, and if you want it to be population deviation, then you need to modify the formula like this. So I hope you have understood it. Next is, again same thing is applicable if your data set is having NA values. You can write NA dot RM is equal to false, true. Next is the range. So for range, simple functions are maximum, minimum. So we can easily try this. Minimum of x is giving you minimum value. Is it true? 5. Yes. Mx maximum value is of the given data set is identified by using maximum function, which is in this case 18. Another functions are the range x. So the range x, as it specifies, if you are giving any data set and identifying